So today's question is, why is it insecure when a web server default page is visible? While doing the penetration testing, the first thing we do is to enumerate the services. While doing so, the port 80 is often found neglected as compared to port 443 because people are concerned about SSL and TLS than port 80. When you put IP colon the port number on the web browser, we get to see the default pages. In case of IIS, we even find the version, that is 3 or 4. This information is good enough for an attacker to plan any further attacks from the third OSI layer, that is the network layer, which eventually compromises your server. To fix this vulnerability, conduct server hardening periodically, or you can configure your server in such a way that the default page is not accessible over port 80.